Hi, I'm Aaron from 2H Media, and in this video, I want to talk about why we insist on a short social media cut whenever we produce a video. A social media cut is a shortened version of a finished video that's usually about 20 seconds in length. They allow businesses to share their video content on social media more effectively and reach a wider audience. Most of us understand the importance of social media in today's digital landscape. We also understand that people's attention spans are shrinking. Our social media cuts are carefully crafted to capture the essence of the original video and share key messaging in a concise and engaging format. This ensures that viewers are hooked from the start and more likely to watch the entire video. Now remember, we produce these social media cuts in addition to full 2 to 4 minute videos, which work great on your website, email marketing campaigns, and other platforms. If you're thinking of using video to improve your marketing efforts, we'd love to have a chat with you and learn more about your goals. Book a strategy session with one of our experts. We'll take the time to get to know your business, develop a plan that makes sense for you, and answer your burning questions so that you can move forward with clarity and confidence. If that sounds impactful, then book a strategy session. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.